Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Watch 100, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this watch. So anyway, just pop it straight open. There we go. So presentation, a little bit minimal. Now all we get here is charging cable, the little magnetic clip, some paperwork, very minimal amount of paperwork as you can probably see, and just a watch. So there we go. Now peeling that off, we have our watch, so let's see if we can turn it on. I might need to actually plug it in to turn it on. There we go. So it's actually just completely drained. Now, can I actually use it while it's charging? Actually, it looks like it. Now, interestingly enough, we don't have any kind of setup right here, so it automatically jumps to our home screen. We have our BPM, some calorie burning, sleeping, weather, exercises, so distance traveled, steps, calories burned. Actually something else right here. This is basically overview of all the different pages that we had. Now to quickly go into this, well, some of the specs. So we have a 1.3 inch display with a resolution of 360 by 360. Now it has a 5 atmosphere rating for like water, so you can go about 50 meters down, snorkeling and stuff like that, and it should just be fine. That's what it's rated at. It is running on a Moto Watch OS, so some proprietary Motorola OS. Possibly it will most likely need a Motorola application to connect and like set up different things on the watch, so something that might not be necessarily sought after, but unfortunate part of this. And what else? Battery size, does it say? I don't see any. Oh, there it is. So we have 355 milliamp hour battery, and that's about all worth mentioning things. Obviously we have things like accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 monitors, and that's about it. It's, in terms of what it offers, or just by the first glance, it's looking like a watch offering things like a smart band, more like. It kind of gives me the vibe of like Xiaomi smart bands in terms of just how it runs and what it offers. It is obviously more limited. It's not going to be like a typical watch OS experience where you can just download applications onto it, browse the web and do stuff like that. It's more just a fitness and health monitoring device that shows you time. So there we go. Now, in terms of the price tag, it is on a more affordable part, so it costs about $99, and it will be more expensive obviously than something like a Xiaomi band, but also arguably it will look better than a Xiaomi band. So I guess you pay a little bit for how the device looks like or presents itself. And it possibly could also have a really good battery life, though it's not mentioned anywhere. It is running on its own proprietary software, which those usually, or most of the time, have a really good battery life. It's not stated how long, so it's something that you'll need to test out, but like I said, proprietary softwares, not like WatchOS or Apple OS, will usually have a really good battery life, so I assume this one is the same. Now anyway, that's basically all I have to say about this device, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.